Damn. Okay. This is a big ass house. Holy shit.
A locksmith put a couple of locks on.
Awesome. Yeah,
So,
we'll get you in there.
so you. Let me give you.
Now we are going to do the sunroom deadbolt lock. Now we're going to put a knob on the basement door. Alright. I will be right here. Since this is a new build, now we're going to drill the holes in place. Okay, and now we got the basement installed. Keep it locked for the customer. Now, customer would like to have the deadbolt and then the doorknob installed on the front door lock, so we're gonna do that. It's actually pretty good alignment for what the carpenter did, so that's actually pretty decent. Okay, we have installed a front door lock. Functions properly. Functions properly. Okay, and we installed a deadbolt lock. Functions properly. And then we have installed basement door lock. Lock works perfectly. Okay, and we installed a smart key lock, a regular doorknob. So we got that locked. Fully functional. Fully functional.